So YouTube, so today I'm going to be changing my PCDs on my Acura TL Type S. So first thing you want to do is take off these connectors for the O2 sensors. One here, the other one's here, and that's right here to these two. Once you take those off, you loosen these bolts, you go underneath, spray them bottom bolts, loosen those up, and once you get all of those loosened up, then you proceed to taking it off. Okay, I got the front one out. Really simple. Like I said, just take these, loosen these four up top, unplug these, and it'll slide right on out. But you do have to take out the condenser fan. You can leave this fan in there, but take out this condenser fan, then you should have enough clearance to finagle it out right out through here. Okay, the brand I went with is Tsudo. I do still currently have the stock J pipe, but I do plan on changing that soon once some become available. But this is what I got. Almost forgot to mention, I am reusing my O2 sensors. Just sprayed them with some white lithium grease, clean them up a little bit, then reinstalling them. All right, so I got it back in. Bolts are screwed on a little bit, so it has to plug up the O2 sensors, but it's fairly easy. I would start putting the screws in on the bottom first. Those are actually threaded. These screws right here, they're threaded. Thread right through the holes at the bottom. So I would start with that first, because you're gonna have to push this down to slide this on, but it's not hard. Very simple, very easy. So now I'm just gonna button everything back up, and that should be it for the front. All right, front is all back together, everything back in, the condenser fan, cooling reserve. But I started up temporarily for a few seconds just to see if it had any leaks, and so far so good. Now knowing to do the back, gonna be the same process. It's gonna be a little bit difficult to see, but unplug the O2 sensors, both of them, and just loosen the bolts. All right, get back to you in a bit. All right, I got all the bolts loosened up. Taking all out, it's ready to come out now. I don't know how easy it's gonna come out, but I'll get to it and let you guys know. All right, so fast forward. I'm currently taking out the inset manifold to take out this valve cover, and hopefully it'll give me enough clearance to take this out, because it's a little tight and there's barely enough room at the bottom. So yeah, I'm gonna try that and see how it goes. Okay, so yeah, it works. Taking out the valve cover to give you enough access to get that back manifold out. There it is right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing, take these off, O2 sensors, put them in this one, and reinstall it. There we go. Engine all back together. Just gotta put the few trim pieces back on it, clean it up a little bit. But give it a start in a minute. See how I go. All the O2 sensors back in, plugged up, front and the back. And while you got that out, if you have a rear motor mount, it'll be easier to change it, because you have all the room, access, and available right here.